cheap, light, replaceable, easy to upgrade, just another device. But it isn't, because everything inside it came from somewhere, pulled from the ground, processed, assembled, moved across the world, before it ever reached your hand. And by the time you're done with it, it doesn't disappear. It goes somewhere else, out of sight, out of reach, but never gone. What you see is just the surface, glass, metal, clean design. But inside, it's something else. Rare metals, elements pulled from deep underground, materials that don't come easy or clean. Every component has a source, and every source leaves a mark. These materials don't come easy. They're extracted under pressure, in places far removed from where they're used, where conditions aren't always visible or regulated. And the cost of getting them isn't just environmental, it's human, hidden behind supply chains you never see. Once the materials are extracted, they move into production, not in small batches, but at scale. Facilities designed for speed, for efficiency, for output, where thousands of devices are assembled every day, identical, replaceable, ready to be shipped anywhere in the world. You don't keep these devices forever, not because they stop working, but because something newer arrives, faster, better, slightly different. And the old one, still functional, gets replaced, not out of necessity, but expectation, because the system depends on it. When you're done with it, it doesn't disappear. It leaves your space, but it doesn't leave the system. Some devices get recycled, many don't. They're collected, moved, and sent somewhere else, where they begin a different kind of life. Most of this waste doesn't stay where it was used. It's packed, shipped, moved across borders, sent to places you never see, where it's sorted, broken down, or left to pile up. Not because it belongs there, but because it's easier for the system to move it away. Electronic waste doesn't just sit there. Over time, it breaks down. Metals seep, chemicals spread into soil, into water, into the environment around it. And what was once a device becomes something else, something that doesn't go away. This system doesn't continue by accident. It continues because it works. New devices drive demand. Demand drives production. Production drives profit. And replacement keeps the cycle moving. Slowing it down would mean less growth, fewer sales, less consumption. And right now, that's not how it's built. This device isn't just what you see. It's everything behind it. The materials, the process, the cost, and what happens after. It doesn't begin in your hand, and it doesn't end when you're done with it. Because what feels small is part of something much bigger. And once you see it, it's hard to ignore.